again, Dr. Blackstorm, chief climatologist and meteorologist here. Our planet has a fever, and we call it climate change. It's like the Earth is getting warmer, and there are two main reasons why. One reason is like when a volcano erupts or a giant meteor crashes into Earth. Those things can change the climate too. Even the sun's energy and the way Earth orbits the sun can make a difference. These are natural things that happen. The other reason is because of things we do. Imagine factories puffing out smoke, cars releasing exhaust, and even cutting down too many trees. These things pollute our planet and trap heat like a blanket. Because of all this, the Earth is getting hotter. It's like turning up the heat in your house, making things uncomfortably warm. This causes ice to melt faster, like when you leave your ice cream out in the sun too long. The melted ice makes the sea level rise, like when you add too much water to a bathtub. We also see more extreme weather, like stronger storms and hotter summers. But don't worry, there's hope. We can use clean energy sources like the sun, wind, and water to power our world. And you can help too. Try to use less energy, plant a garden, buy food from local farmers, and recycle. Every little bit helps. The Earth is a complex and amazing place, and its climate has always been changing. But now, it's changing faster than ever before, and it's mostly because of us. By learning about climate change and doing our part, we can help keep our planet healthy for us and for future generations. It's up to all of us to be part of the solution. Go to it, young scientists.